In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your ClickUp Workspace. To make the sharing process smooth and secure, we'll start by getting you signed in to the correct account. This is quick, and most of you already know how to do it. But a clear walkthrough helps avoid mix-ups and ensures you're set up to share confidently. First, open your browser and go to the official ClickUp app page by typing app.clickup.com into the address bar. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the real site and not a lookalike. If you use bookmarks, confirm they point to the current address. For the best experience, keep your browser updated and disable any extensions that might block pop-ups you need for authentication. On the ClickUp landing page, select Log In. It's usually in the upper right corner. If you see an option to sign up, that's for creating a new account. Stick with Login to access your existing workspace. Enter your email and password to proceed. For security, never share or display your login details in a recording, a chat, or a screenshot. Use a reputable password manager. Enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. And, if your organization uses single sign-on, choose the appropriate SSO option provided on the login screen. If the password slips your mind, click Forgot Password, then check your inbox and your spam or junk folder for the reset email. Those links often expire quickly, so act promptly. After you sign in, you may be prompted to choose a workspace if you're part of multiple ones. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the workspace you intend to share. This avoids granting access to the wrong place and keeps your projects organized. Once you're in, you should land on your home or a relevant space view. From here, you'll be ready to share your ClickUp Workspace with the right people. Keep in mind that sharing options depend on your role. Owners and admins typically manage workspace level settings and invitations, while members can share items like tasks, lists, or docs based on permissions set by the workspace. If anything seems restricted, a quick check with your admin can save time. Before you proceed, review what you